Hey, can you help me with this?
Sure.
Maybe add more depth just right here.
That's it. Thank you.
What do you think of this sketch? Kawita guides us through every step. I finally learned to mix perfect colors. My sketching has improved so much. We love learning together here. Wow! Just look at my painting. My dad will be happy to see my amazing work. Congratulations! It is incredible. Amazing. Helpful. Grateful. Grateful. So you like to make your own sculpture or painting like us? Let's join us. We are very happy to see you with us. We are grateful to our Kawita Mam teaching guiding us amazing way. Thank you, ma'am.